Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
The Restore Now prompt shows after reinstalling Messenger or restoring backups. It appears when Messenger detects backed up messages in your account. You can stop the prompt by disabling automatic backup and clearing app data. Use device settings, the Messenger app info screen, and your backup service settings. I will explain Android and iPhone steps clearly and sequentially. Follow each step exactly to remove the prompt long-term and avoid accidental restores. Open Settings on your Android phone and go to Apps or App Manager. Find Messenger and tap Storage, then clear cache and clear data to remove restore flags. Next, open Google Drive, go to Backups, and disable or delete the Messenger backup. If you use a device backup toggle, also turn off App Data Backup for your Google account. Finally, uninstall Messenger and reinstall it if the Restore Now prompt still appears after these steps. On iPhone, open Settings and tap your Apple ID, then iCloud and manage storage. Find Messenger and disable its iCloud backup or delete the stored backup to remove restore triggers. Next, go to the main settings, General, iPhone storage, and offload or delete Messenger to clear local flags. Reinstall Messenger from the App Store and sign in fresh. Finally, check notifications and restart your device if the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.